What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Sheriff Toadster from the Garden of Banban. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down the middle. Just going to round this out and then bend that back up towards the right. Let's round out the corners of the mouth. Going back towards the left, going all the way around, and then just bending that in towards the bottom. And I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth with another curve, starting back over on the left, come down a little bit lower in the middle, and then we'll bend that back up towards the right side. Now we're going to separate the teeth with a series of curves bending out towards the left. Let's leave a gap in the center, start over on the left side, bend this out, and then back in towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right, come down, and then bend that out. Let's add two more curves over on the left. We're going to step up, bend this around, move over, and draw that again. And add two more curves over on the right. Move down and out, step up, and do that again. Now I'm going to trace the mouth along the outside, leaving a gap along the bottom. Let's start on the top left. I'm going to bend this down in the middle, and pull it back up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side. Just going to trace the corner of the mouth, come down towards the bottom. I'm just going to work our way in towards the body. Stop right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. All the way around, come down, and then we'll bend that in. Now with the mouth in place, let's move up and tuck the eyes along the top, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a circle, going all the way around towards the top of the eye, and then bend that back in. Let's move over towards the right, going all the way up towards the top, and then back down. Let's push the pupils towards the left side. So up against the edge of the eye, we're going to draw a small circle, going all the way around, and then out towards the bottom. Let's line up the right side, draw the same side circle, and then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the top of the head. Let's move over toward the left and bend this up and in, go above the eye, and then bend that down towards the middle. Do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height, then this out, and then down. Let's add a small hat on top of the right brow, starting from the left side, coming in, bending that back out. Let's line up the bottom over on the right, go out, and then bend that back in. Now I'm drawing the top of the hat. From the left side, we go up, round out the hat, and then come down towards the right. And then we'll fill the inside of the hat in black. Now let's move down and draw on the body. Let's start by adding a star on the top right side. Start with a point. Come down and out towards the left and right side. And going out towards the side of the star. And then we'll angle that back in. Let's add those 2 points along the bottom. And go up and in towards the middle. Now I'm going to go over towards the right side and draw the arm. We'll start up here, bend this up, and then out towards the wrist. Let's add the thumb, going up and then back down. I'm going to add 3 fingers along the outside. Start with the first finger going out and in. Now the second finger, we're just going to angle down, back up, add 1 smaller finger pointing down, and go up towards the wrist. Let's follow this same curve along the bottom, coming in towards the body. Now let's draw on the outside of the body. From the left side of the head, we're going to step out, curve this body going out, round this out, and come in towards the middle. Go all the way across towards the right, round out the body, and go up in behind the arm. Now you want to continue this curve going up and in on the right side. Now on the left side, I'm going to draw the arm pointing down at an angle. Let's start up here, draw a straight angle line coming down. Let's add in the thumb, coming across and back in. Let's add 3 fingers along the bottom. Come down and then up. Add the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to angle out and in towards the wrist. And then we'll draw that same angle line going up towards the outside of the arm. Let's add that trim in the center of the body going in behind the arm. So we'll start on the bottom left, go up, in behind, continue along the inside, so we'll round out the center, go across, and then back down. Now we want to tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, bend the leg, going around and back in towards the heel, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, come down, and then up. Now from the toe, we're going to go up towards the top of the foot, and we'll bend that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now I'm going to go back up to the top, draw the outside of the leg, come down, and just bend that in on top of the feet. Let's finish off by signing out art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Sheriff Toadster from the Garden of Banban. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.